Designers, are you still manually cutting out objects in Figma using the pen tool?
Stop it. Get some help.
And we've got just the help for you. Introducing the Magic Selection plugin for Figma, brought to you by Superflow. And we didn't just add AI to the plugin name for SEO reasons. Oh no. Our tool actually uses AI in a productive way, making your life easier when you need to select and mask images in Figma. All you have to do is activate the Magic Selection plugin, select the image you want to use it on, click on the area you want to mask, and voila! Your object has been cut out using a vector path mask. And since the mask is vector, the cutout images scale well, and you can do this.
Hi guys, I'm MKBHD, and if a product is bad, I'm gonna say it's bad, because I have a code of ethics.
We know he doesn't sound like that, but we weren't gonna use an AI clone of his voice because we too have a code of ethics. But that's not all. You can also refine the vector mask created by our Magic Selection plugin. But since I'm not a designer, I'm not gonna do that. But what I will do is make some memes. Now go upvote our launch on Product Hunts and send us any memes you make on Twitter. Best meme gets a Ferrari.png.